Okay, so I have just completed an upgrade. I looked online a lot to see if anybody had actually put M1 Mac Mini internals inside of an old Space Gray Mac Mini, and I couldn't find anything. So I decided to give it a try. I removed all the internals from my silver M1 Mac Mini. I purchased this old 2018 Space Gray Mac Mini case on eBay for about $32 with shipping and everything. And I just swapped everything over. I moved over the power supply, the motherboard. I didn't bolt down the motherboard. Obviously, the bolt holes didn't line up, but it's very stable. I've got a solution if I need to bolt those back up. If I can, I did come up with a makeshift solution to be able to attach the riser to bolt the fan on this side. I didn't line it up good on this side, so I couldn't attach this one, but it's very sturdy. It's not going to go anywhere. It's sitting on a desk, and so those things could easily be done if you wanted to bolt everything down. The only other thing I didn't do for the initial test is the front light panel. I didn't pop it off because it's kind of difficult to get off and swap out from the old one to the new one. I may try to do that later, but it's really not that important if I have that light. But everything lines up. The power supply lines up, no problem. Everything else slides in, no problem. And so I'm about to plug everything back in, and we will see if I have a Space Gray M1 Mac Mini. Okay, so I have made the case swap. I have put the M1 Mac Mini from the silver case that it comes in into this Space Gray case. And remember, I didn't hook up the indicator light, so that's not going to come on when I turn it on. But let's power it on and see if it's going to work. All right, startup chime. It takes these monitors just a second to come on, so let's see what we get here. Our first monitor appears to get a signal. Our second monitor appears to get a signal. All right, let me log in here and see. We got it. So everything appears to work. And we have an M1 Mac Mini in a Space Gray case. So if you've wondered if you could do that swap, you can. You know, you won't be able to bolt all the bolt holes down without a little bit of work, but you could make it work. But really, it's not going to go anywhere. Everything is pretty firm. If you leave it on the desk, you make the swap, you slide it in, you're going to be good to go. So everything appears to work good. So go get your Space Gray case and make that swap if you're tired of the old silver Mac Mini.